A car's thermostat is a temperature-sensitive valve that controls coolant flow to keep the engine at optimal operating temperature, opening a bypass for quick warm-up and then sending coolant to the radiator to prevent overheating as the engine warms up. It acts as a switch, allowing the engine to quickly reach efficient combustion temperature, closed, and then opening to cool it by sending coolant to the radiator. How to test a bad coolant thermostat. This coolant thermostat looks great, but it's not working properly, so the engine temperature gets high while driving. Look, the water in a small pot has been heated too much. I will test the coolant thermostat by placing it in a pot of hot water. This thermostat problem does not open when it is hot. The coolant temperature rises while the car is running. Now I will test this new coolant thermostat. I will now place the new coolant thermostat in a pot of hot water to test it. Check if the coolant thermostat has opened after putting it in hot water. This coolant thermostat is working properly, no problems. I'll take the thermostat out of the hot water and run it under cold water to see if the thermostat turns off. Look, it's closed. The coolant thermostat and condition are fine.